So what's up? Baba na naman kami ng busy guys. Hey. Malakas! Aray, yung down cellphone na. Lang pala yung kasama natin si ano, RFM, pakita ka RFM. Yay! Tapos yung nasa likod namin, nutrition ng ano, company. Yan. Ang hawak niyan yung mga ketchup, Papa Ketchup.
Heaven knows how embittered I am, 'cause this angels flow away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine the wrong.
Bali 100 plus lang naman yung ibababa namin guys na box. Mix po, mix. May non-pod, pod 1, pod 2, ganun.
Thought I had the strength to set her free, but I did.